Hey guys, this is Nikki. In today's video, we are making Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments. And before we get started, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. You could be the first to know when we put up a new video or go live. I purchased my ornaments from Michael's, but you can also purchase them from Hobby Lobby. Mine is glass, but you could also use plastic, and they sell those in the Dollar Tree. You can use any kind of glitter that you want. You can use fine, you can use chunky, you could use a combination. They all work well. We're going to clean the outside of the ornaments, and I'm using polyacrylic. You could purchase that from Walmart, and I'm just going to pour that into my ornament. And I want to make sure that the polyacrylic thoroughly covers the inside of the ornament so that we don't have any empty spaces, and gaps where the glitter will go. After that, we're going to turn it upside down to allow the excess polyacrylic to drain out of the container. After it's drained out, you're going to start to add your glitter. I thought this chunky glitter from Walmart was going to look really pretty inside the big bulb. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to add some extra fine glitter that I got from, I think I got that from Michael's. And I'm just going to mix that up, and I'm going to pour that right into my ornament. Have fun with the combinations. It doesn't have to just be one type of glitter. You can use different types of glitter. You could use different size glitter. You can use different colors. So don't just get stuck in just one color. Have fun with it. I'm going to take the glitter and I'm going to put it into my ornament. And I find making a little tunnel with the paper makes it easier for me to add the glitter to the ornament. And I'm just going to shake that around and make sure that everything is in there covered and beautiful. I love this white iridescent one. It reminds me of snowflakes. This is going to look so cute with the Nightmare Before Christmas vinyl decal on top of it, and the light is going to hit this so beautifully. So I'm so excited to do this one. If you would like to see how I made the vinyl decals on silhouette, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will create a video like that for you. I purchased my Nightmare Before Christmas graphics on Etsy. I will put the links to the seller down below if you would like to recreate what I am doing here. And I'm using Ornaments 651 vinyl. I really love that vinyl. It's very easy to weed. Quick tip, if your mat becomes unsticky, you can give it a little wash with soapy water and pat it dry with a paper towel, and it'll stick again. So what we're going to do is just take our transfer tape, and I'm using the Cricut transfer tape, and I'm just going to center it and stick it onto the ornament. My symmetry is a little bit off, so it might be a little askew, but that's okay. It's going on my tree. I don't think anybody going to be paying that much attention to it. It is not for sale. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I'm doing a series on the Nightmare Before Christmas Christmas ornaments and Christmas decor, because that is what my theme is for my holiday tree this year. If you would like to see more Nightmare Before Christmas DIYs for the holidays, please stay tuned. And you can also check out my previous videos. You can also join me live Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. for Coffee with Nikki.